Hello, I'm Jane Eade and I'm a Cultural Heritage Curator for the National Trust in the East of England, and I'm here today on the Wimpole estate in order to share with you one of the treasures of the collection. And what we're looking at here is a table from the late 1700s with a miscellany of objects arrayed across the surface. For example, we've got a penknife here, we have coins, there's even a few carpet tacks, pliers and scissors. And my favourite item, which is this intaglio seal, which we can see reversed out here in the wax on the back of this envelope. And no sooner have we really begun looking at this, of course, than we realise that this is a very cleverly painted deception and these aren't real things at all. The painter Louis-Léopold Boilly coined the term trompe-l'oeil, literally trick of the eye, for works such as this. And no sooner have we been tricked than we become part of a game with the artist, because we can't help but want to work out what this table might mean. Do the playing cards, do they signify gambling, for example? Or do all of the quill pens and paper indicate somebody of a literary bent? Or this lovely relief plaque, perhaps this table belongs to a collector. And the artist plays along with us, rather wittily signing himself here on this piece of paper as part of this deception. So the thing about trompe-l'oeil is that it privileges us, the viewer, to create the meaning, and whether we're charmed or slightly unsettled by this deception, it perhaps reminds us that nothing is ever quite what it seems.